want you to also tell us about the conversation that you specifically had with Kelly on that Wednesday, the 21st of February. It's after she slept in your room, in your house, the Tuesday night, the Wednesday morning, the 21st. You were having a conversation, and specifically with regards to Jocelyn. I want you to tell us about that and what she told you.
Sy vir my gesê sy voel haar kinders nog nie die plek het nie. Sy voel haar kinders in Marikana. En sy het haar gepraat van foreigners. Maar ek het nie nog baie met hy. En sy het gesê van foreigners en haar kinders nog nie die plek het nie. Ons moet in Marikana gaan soek. Sy voel haar kinders nog in Marikana.
When she tells you her child is in Marikana, what does that mean? Where's Marikana?
Marikana is ook in Middelbos, maar as 'n nuwe uitbreiding.
Now, when she told you that she still feels her child, that she's not yet gone from this place, she's in Marikana. Did you ask her, how do you know this? How do you know your child is not yet gone? She's in Marikana.
Ja, sy het gesê haar moeder